So yeah, this was the last question, right? So what was the outcome for this one? What's the conclusion for this question we saw? Like frequency is inversely proportional to XC and frequency is directly proportional to XL, and frequency and I are directly proportional. All these things, like it will help you for your like some thinking ideas for the next questions or solving some questions directly, right? So is it recording, right? Yeah, it is. Let's see some more question today. 1 second, please. Yeah, have you guys attempted test?
Yes, sir.
Good. This is an easy question. I want like you to solve it as quick as possible. If a current I given by I equals
Sir,
to
sir,
yes, yeah.
I have a doubt in yesterday's test, the 10th question.
10th question.
I didn't get the answer.
You didn't get the answer. Okay. From where I gave. So what was the answer D? It is.
I didn't attempt it.
Okay. But here it shows answer D. So let's check what I gave answer D or not. Then I need to go back and check. Wait, I'll check in.
Yeah, so you gave it as D. Like, can you tell, like, how did you get the answer?
Now see in that, what was the given? Like current passes in any instrument is alternating I equals to this value. Okay. Potential difference is given. Okay. V pi cos omega t voltage. Power loss. Okay. For getting power loss, this all are peak values. So power loss in complete cycle. So for that, I will be one complete cycle will be 0 here. On positive and negative half cycles. This will make a 0 combination here. So we'll get there directly 0. So D is the option, correct option, no? Where is it? Yeah. Yeah, shows these only. So that is the reason D 0 is the correct answer for that. For one complete cycle. Even that thing also we wrote in the first class. For average thing. I not. Sine omega t minus pi by 2 flows sine omega t has been applied. I think so. This is a similar question, no? So even same manner, same question. It is like similar question. You can solve that way. Same answer you will get. See, if you observe that, this is what again 90-degree we will get. So what is the formula? P equals to I cos IV cos theta. So cos theta is 90-degree. Again, this will be 0. This also way you can say, or that average value in that question, it was average value for that current will be 0 again for one complete cycle, another one half, another half. So this answer is also 0 because it's given as pi by 2. So they are asking here power. So by seeing power here itself, we can substitute the value of power, find power consumed. So if I solve it here, it's very easy. So P, VRMS, IRMS, cos phi. So VRMS, we don't have peak values, we have 1 by 2 E naught, I naught, cos pi by 2 will give you 0 again. What other type of question we did? Easy only this one. This is also now easy. Next question. All questions are easy until you solve it. The capacitor of capacitance 1 microfarad. One microfarad is charged to a potential 1 voltage. It is connected in parallel inductor of inductance 10 to power minus 3 Henry. Maximum I will flow in circuit. Come on, try this one. Okay, done. What you guys are doing? Are you solving?
Yes.
Akshay, Aditi, okay. Samhita, you won't be able to solve, right? You're joining, leaving. Okay. Akshay, are you there?
So what's the answer?
What is your answer?
I didn't get it. So
Okay, even I have to solve because answers are not there. Okay, then let's solve. So what is given here? We have 1 microfarad, okay, 1 V Henry. So Q equals to CV. C is how much? 1. V is 1. So 1 10 to the power minus 6 into 1. That is 1 microcoulomb, we can say, right? 1 microcoulomb.
Yeah.
Q, we got it. Because I need I. So I equals to dq by dt. So, and we can write here those formulas. What we can do here? We can say Q equals to Q naught sine omega t. So we can take this one. See, for maximum, I'm doing this one. How I got idea of this one? See, I'm starting. No, I'm not starting simply here. This is maximum they're asking. So when it can be maximum, when I can be maximum, when dq by dt equals to 0. So we can equate with this one and say this is the maximum value. So I naught will be omega q naught for maximum current. So this one we can equate this one. And omega we can find out we have anything. LC we have, right? LH. Parallel combination of inductor and inductance. Okay. So omega equals to 1 by LC. So L is how much? 10 to the power minus 3 and 10 to the power minus 6. So roll 10 to the power minus 9. So 10 to the power 9 to the power 1 by 2. This is omega. What you will get? This one. That you find out. So I equals to, sorry, I naught equals to 10 to the power 9, 1 by 2 into Q naught, what we got? 1 micro, 10 to the power 6. Get me this one answer? How will you solve this? We'll go inside. It will become 12, 12 minus 3, 1. Milli. It will become 1 milli here. Fine. So 1000 is already there. And here it become milliampere. And if you solve 1000, then this square root of 31, 33. 30 is 900. 51. Yeah. So it is 10 to the power minus 3 also there. So 3.1 something into 10 to the power minus 2 ampere. Powers are okay. Check the numbers. 3 point what? How much? 3.12 or something.
Yeah, I messed up in the third, like last third step.
What?
I messed up in the last third step.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let's start here transformer. If you've done this one, I can scroll it.
Yeah.
Others. What about others? Hmm. Let's start first. LC oscillator or oscillation. Now, what was? Okay, tell me what do you mean by oscillation? Anyone?
So it is like back and forth cycle.
Back and forth. Okay.
We can also call it a cycle.
Yeah. So it makes oscillation. So like a pendulum. That is our oscillation. Okay. Now, have you heard LC oscillation or oscillator?
No.
Now, what is purpose of C capacitor? To charge or discharge something, right? And coil purpose is to make some induction, induced. So if I combine both L and C circuit, as we saw before also, L and C circuit. So like, where is our LC circuit? Yeah, L and C circuit. So there we saw two possibilities, either voltage leading, I mean VL leading, or VC leading. If VL leading or V leading in the sense, I'm comparing with VL and VC only. I'm not comparing with current. So VL is greater, so it will be this way. First case. If VC is greater, then it will be second case. First case, it will be second case. So when we draw phasor diagram, see this common phasor diagram, what we observe here. So we can go either upward or downward here. So if we are going upward, then VC will be going upward. That means VL minus VC. If we are checking downwards, then VL will come down. It will become VC minus VL. In that case, VC is greater. Means VC greater in the sense voltage across capacitor is greater in series combination of L and C. Are you able to understand what I'm saying? Guys, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, only Aditi is there. Sai Akshir as usual, no answer. Okay, fine. So that was your LC circuit. Now we are combining with oscillation also. Where is our it? Now what we'll do here in this one capacitor, we will be like we'll take this capacitor which is charged capacitor, and we will short circuit through inductor. See, understand very slowly. I will say very slowly. Understand the process. We have charge capacitor. We are taking the charge capacitor. We are totally discharging in inductor coil. What's the we are fulfilling purpose of capacitor also. We are fulfilling purpose of inductor also. Both things we are doing. So what we'll do, we'll take a charge capacitor and we will short circuit them through inductor. So in that, current will start oscillating. Now, what is the purpose of inductor? Once it starts rotating, or if we take generator, what is the purpose of generator? It will start rotating with the magnetic field and all that, right? Remember, we studied in 10th standard. There's a coil in between magnet coil between magnet. In that, magnetic field passing through it, current passing through it, like this. Okay. So in that, its current is passing means current is generated due to change of flux here. Change of flux here. So that is what we will use those things, so that so it will be like infinite. So he will discharge and he will discharge current totally, and he will just rotate or whatever work it is, energy he will utilize, and again he will use that current and charge this capacitor. So this will be continuously charged and discharged. That is what main purpose. So let's see the process again. So what we'll do here, we'll take charge capacitor, which will be short circuited with an inductor coil. Now charge and this current will start oscillating in this whole circuit. So let's draw a circuit so that we can understand it better. So let me draw one coil. This is the coil. See, I'm speaking so very slow so that you can remember all the process. So that no need to write whole drama and all that. Okay, whole drama things we are not going to write here. Just understand the process. That's it, enough. We'll see the formula, how it is done, how to solve. So I'm just directly closing the switch. I'm not keeping anything in between, just directly on. So what we did here, we took a charge capacitor, connected to the inductor coil. So it short circuited to the inductor coil. This T0, so it is open. So T equals to 1 condition. T equals to T something. So current starts flowing. So this is your inductor coil. Let's name it here. A, B cannot be given. Given, okay. We can give now. A, B, C, D. So in this one, we will assume there is no resistance also. If there is no resistance, no energy loss. Because in resistance only energy loss will be there. So here fully like utilized energy or no radiated energy here away. It's not no energy is radiated outside or somewhere. It is totally utilized. So this is your electric field capacitor and inductor coil is a magnetic field. So they both like it is actually this is the ideal condition. So total answer nahi, I mean transfer of energy like it's keep oscillating from here to here. A B C D A B C D A B C D A B C D. It will go to first standard and learn ABCD again and again. So let's see some formulas here. Or formulas in the sense nothing much we are going to do. Same thing like all same drama. VB minus VA equals to VC minus VD equating what? All that. In that side, charge is there Q by C. In that side, coil is there L di by dt. So I equals to dq by dt. Charge is decreasing, so we'll take it as minus. So dq by dt, so dq equals to I dt. So di by dt. Di by dt equals to second order, अरे किधर गया? हाँ, second order differentiation d square q by dt square minus. So if we take this value, we'll substitute here. From here only we are getting. So q by c equals to minus L d square q by d. This is q, okay, dt square, yeah. Don't forget this square. So d square q by dt square equals to L will down, so 1 by minus 1 by LC q. So if you remember standard equation for simple harmonic motion, SHM was d square x by dt square equals to minus omega square x. If you compare with that, so omega equals to 1 by root LC and frequency equals to 1 by 2 pi under root LC. We're comparing that equation, so omega equals to 1 by 2 LC. This is your simple harmonic motion standard equation. Someone make a note of it. ठीक है, लिख लिया? डन?
Yes, sir.
ओके, then okay, then next class we will finish this chapter. Transformer left only transform left.